Hey XRP holder, XRP holders starting doing very huge mistake in this current time. Definitely my friend, the mistake is absolutely very big, but kindly before I get started this video I have a request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification. For more this type informative videos, please subscribe it. If you can see my brother, first of all I'm going to show you the change occur of this coin, and after that my friend I share my opinion, I do prediction, I do a technical analysis, and after that my friend you understand to really consider this coin is my friends we are doing this mistake or not. So you can see at this time the change occur of last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occur is also negative my brother, and you can see the market rank come to 7. Exactly, they are completely in the loss. The mistake my brother of holder is that they are starting selling is a very big mistake, is very huge mistake of holders. So if you are starting selling, then definitely you are doing very big mistake. You know why? Because this time you can see here the last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you to this coin is completely fails down from last 1 hour. So you know if you selling and this type of condition there, then definitely my brother you are in the loss. You know, this time if we check out the last this time you can see here I open it the last 7 days chart, and this chart is gonna be very interesting. You can see here this chart is also fails down. So if you can see my brother, this chart is gonna show you to the price is decreased very fastly. It's mean to last 7 days to last 1 day my brother they fails down. You can see here 13.29% they fails down just in only my brother in the last 7 days. And every graphic currency is moving in this circulation to after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a very huge jump. So my brother, as you can see here this chart is completely show you to the last time their arrows is moving upward, and definitely after this they fails down. So therefore the current condition is also going to be very bad now, but definitely my friend I hope XRP will starting moving upwards. You need to hold it, don't sell it, don't do this huge mistake, otherwise you completely lost my brother. I share my opinion to please hold, don't sell it, and my prediction is that to upcoming time there is more chances they fails down, but I hope after that my friends they will take a very huge jump and they will recover soon now. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.